Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we are going to revise the topic transport in plants and inside a root. Beta, you know that plants are living organisms and they require energy to grow, and energy comes from the food and other nutrients. Food is prepared in the leaves by the process of photosynthesis, and root absorb the water and dissolve minerals from the soil. Now, how do these nutrients reach to each and every cell of the plant? For this purpose, the plants have a transport system. Just as in humans, things are transported around the body through circulatory system. The transport system of plant consists of thin tubes which carry liquids up and down the plants. The tubes are of two kinds, xylem tubes and phloem tubes, and collectively they are known as vascular bundles or vascular tissue. Xylem tubes carry water and dissolved minerals in the solution form from the soil up to the parts of the plant above the ground. Xylem tubes support the plant because the xylem have thickened and strong walls. Xylem is a dead tissue. The word xylem comes from the Greek word xylon, which means wood. In trees, new xylem is made each year, forming a rings in the trunk. You can see here, xylem is wood. Clear? Second type of tubes are phloem tubes. Phloem tubes are made from living cells that are joined end to end, and they carry sugar that is prepared in the leaves in solution form and take it to each and every part of the plant up and down in both directions. There are holes at the end of each phloem cells so that sugar solution can pass through it. Sugar can go both up and down a phloem tube at the same time. Beta, this is all about the transports in plants. Our next topic is inside a root. Inside a root means that when we cut a transverse section of the root, then we found that the outermost layer of the root is protective tissue, commonly called epidermis tissue, and this is root hair. Root hairs are the extension of the epidermal cells. Root hair increase the surface area to absorb water and dissolve minerals from the soil. The next tissue is ground tissue, and then there is vascular tissue. Vascular tissue consists of xylem. This is xylem. Xylem take up the water and minerals to the stem, and this is phloem. Phloem, the function of the phloem is to carry sugar from the leaves down the roots, where it is needed by each and every cell of the root for the process of respiration. This is the growing tip of the root. Growing cells are present at the growing tip. The growing tip of the root is protected by the root cap. But you can see here there are root hairs that helps to absorb water and dissolve minerals. You can also see root hairs at the surface of the radish or carrot. Next, we have to do the test yourself. What is a transport system? But its answer is, will start from this line. Roots and stems are plant organs which contain the transport system of a plant up to this line. Here. Question number 2. What is a vascular bundle? Its answer is xylem and phloem tubes are bundled together in vascular bundle. Question number 3. How are xylem and phloem tissues the same? Because xylem and phloem tissues are same because they are the parts of the transport system. Xylem tissue carry water and dissolved mineral in solution form, and its answer will be up to this line. Clear? And for phloem you have to write from this line to this line. Clear? नेक्स्ट है हाउ आर जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम टिश्यूज डिफरेंट. बेटा फॉर दिस you have to mark from this line they instead of they you have to write xylem. Xylem have thickened strong walls which help the xylem support the plant and up to this line. And for phloem you have to write from this line to this line. Clear? Question number 4. Explain how xylem tubes help support a plant. Its answer will start from this line up to this line. Clear? Question number 5. What happens at the root tips? Beta, growing cells are present at the root tip. The root tip is where the root grows. Question number 6. What is the job of the root cap? The root cap protects the root tip as it grows through the soil. Thank you.